Everyone talks about the benefits of aesthetic treatment, but nobody tells you what can go wrong. And I think that's more important for you people to know. So starting with microneedling with radio frequency, for the longest time, we believe that MNRF is a colorblind procedure. There is no risk of any PIH, but a lot of my followers have sent me their pictures of how their MNRF have gone wrong and has caused a lot of pigmentation and very bad scarring, especially machines like Morpheus 8, which are very strong and can go a lot deeper, can cause fat melting, and it can make you look very aged. Second is the most popular aesthetic treatment that girls get done a lot nowadays, that is laser hair reduction. Again, if done by an unprofessional, untrained person and with wrong settings or wrong laser, it can lead to blisters, burns, pigmentation, and especially around the face, there's always a risk of paradoxical hair growth, meaning more hair growth than what you started with. Then comes the CO2 laser. This is a very powerful treatment. CO2 targets the water in your skin, and again, with wrong parameters, high impedance, it can lead to burns, pigmentation, and can cause those tram track scars. Another popular treatment, Botox. So this is why you should choose a very experienced practitioner, because if not done correctly, the toxin can migrate into the wrong muscle group, and it can commonly cause complications like drooping of eyelid, crooked smile, frozen expressions, and headaches. And there are also people who are highly allergic to the toxin. So especially if you have egg allergies, I would recommend not to get Botox done. Then comes dermal fillers. Again, these are completely blind needle based procedures, and if done incorrectly or if the filler is placed wrongly, it can lead to nerve damage or damage a blood vessel, especially the area around the eyes and the nose are the danger zones of your face. Do your due diligence before choosing a practitioner. Go for a very trusted and a qualified either dermatologist or a plastic surgeon. These treatments are not joke that you get done at a wellness center, at a medi spa, or the salon services that come at home.